Hey, folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. Today, Wednesday, July 7th, 2010. Well, look at this rally. Again, just so happens to be on our master turn date. Again, the turn date was yesterday and today, and you can see the volatility yesterday, the gap up, the reversal, then the run up into the close. And again, that was a key example of a flush out. Institutional black box flash trading programs flushing out the weak hands yesterday in the afternoon period, then the rally into the close as the institutions were loading up on the way down here, and then the continuation of the rally today, and what a move it has been. Touch base on the markets right now. We have the Dow up 188 points on the day, or 1.9%. The NASDAQ up 42 on the day. S&P up about 22. That's basically 2% rally in the markets. And again, what a move off of the turn date. Turn date was called out last week. By early last week, we had given the turn date to our premium members in the research center and in the intraday stock chat. Accordingly, I bought some RTH, I bought some JP Morgan, I bought a couple other odds and ends, and again, take a look at what those stocks have done. JP Morgan, what a move up. I picked it up last Thursday at $35.70. And again, if we go back to that Thursday date, this is where I picked it up right here. And again, from there on out, if I shrink the chart down, you can see where it is trading now. Look at that move up. And again, these alerts were given out on the hot charts and alerts to all of our members. All of our members got these. And again, what a move you've seen. JP Morgan, what a move. RTH, I took some profits on this yesterday already. And again, when it gapped up right here, that's where I sold it. I bought it on Friday. I bought it on Friday. Beautifully made $1.50. And again, this is all based on the turn date. The turn dates, again, have about a 90% to 95% success rate on working out. And this one, again, slam dunk, profit in the bank. Now, I just put out a new alert on a new stock that I like, folks, and I picked some up myself. And again, I think it's already moved up about, believe it or not, I'm already about 60 cents in the money right now on this new stock. And I can't release it, obviously, in this video. That's for the premium members of the Research Center. But nonetheless, great move so far on that. Very happy to see that. I have actually a target of a $3 gain, and it's only a $10 to $20 stock. Check that out. Now, that's a sizable gain if we can get that out of it, and I think that it has a decent chance of doing it. But again, I cannot release it in this video. All right, going back to the charts, folks, what are you seeing here? Amazing reversal. I talked about this reversal. The market got flushed yesterday. That took out all the weak hands. Then into the close, you saw the rally start in as volume picked up. That's institutional buying going into today. The market's gapped up above the 50, ran to the 200, stalled. Ran higher. Where did they go? This pivot high right yesterday, stalled out again. Pushed through, came right up to this double top, blew right through it, pulled back. Notice how, for those of you that are premium members, you confirmed above this. See this pivot top right here? You closed above and confirmed. That means if you pull back into it, this is a buying opportunity or should be massive support. What happens? The pullback, look at this. Pullback, bounce. Pullback, bounce. It can never break below because you've confirmed above that resistance level, as now it is major support. Markets again start trading up. Where do we go? Right to the 105 level. We're hovering right above 105 on the charts. This is massive resistance at 105. But again, ultimately, I think the markets may have a little bit more upside, although it's not going to be easy. The markets aren't going to go straight up. They're going to chop around. They're going to be crazy. But nonetheless, take a look at the 60-minute. This channel line, and I said this yesterday, I literally pinpointed everything in this chart on yesterday's nightly video, and that's, again, a Research Center members only type deal. And you can see connecting this from the high on the 21st right here. Check that. Yep, the high of the 21st on that gap up to 113. Connecting it right to this pivot point and right down to this pivot point yesterday. That was your major resistance. I said in the nightly video, I said, listen, you break below this lower blue line, you're going to go to 99.50 to 100 on the SPY. If you break above the blue line, I think you're going to trade up in a major way. Guess what? Look at today. Broke right there, and look, it went right to the 50 moving average. Bullish consolidation, pushed up again, and again, it's holding near the highs of the day, near this 105 resistance level. 105 is resistance, folks. Definitely is resistance. The reason why also is you have this pivot top right here as well, right in this range. That's that little pivot top right around 105. We're hovering just above it right now, but again, you haven't really confirmed above it, in my opinion, so you have to be very, very wary of that for now, all right? So keep an eye on that, folks. We'll see how it plays out towards the end of the day. Again, if you continue through 105, your next target is going to be 106, which is gap window. Then you have a little pivot low right here at 106.90 to 106.85, and then ultimately up to this level at 107.50. 107.50 will be a major gap fill. If you get there, again, I think that might be the extent of any sort of rally we get in this market, if we even get that high. There's a chance we'll only get up here. So we'll watch this very closely, but again, the pivot date, master pivot date, released over a week ago, and again, we talked about it, my chief market strategist partner, Nick, and I talked about it over a month ago about this date coming up, but we didn't release it, obviously, till really close. And the reason we do that is we don't want to release it until like a few days in advance, because if the whole market knows about it, it won't work. It's a psychological indicator right there. Everyone finds out about a turn date, it will not work. Just baseline right there. It spreads like wildfire throughout the markets that, again, many people start looking for it, and then it won't work. So you have to know what to do here. We released it perfectly this time, and markets just shot up beautifully, over 2%, 2.5% off the turn date level here, which was the Friday close, as we came to Tuesday, Wednesday today, and look at that continued move up. Now, what else is moving today? What's the big rally? And I'm going to go back to the intraday. You can see, again, right above 105 here. You're starting to stall out, really, in my opinion. You will have support at the 104.90 to 105 level right here, but again, nothing major in my opinion. But the key runners today, Goldman Sachs having a good day, although pulling back up $2.15. JP Morgan up $1.25. Beautiful day on JPM, and I talked about this one as being one of the key plays that I picked up in lieu of the turn date, knowing it was coming up. Made some good money here, absolutely. And then again, if you go to Exxon Mobil up 55 cents, Exxon had a good day yesterday. Chevron, very good day, up $1.20. Beautiful move. And notice how the commodity stocks and the financials are rallying together today. That's a very important indicator of strength in the market. All right, if one rallies and the other doesn't, you don't want to trust it. If everything's rallying, you can trust it, in my opinion, as a little bit more of a firm move. Otherwise, you have Apple Computer also participating today, up $6.50. Beautiful move there. Google up 8.5, Baidu up 3.5, Amazon up 2, Research in Motion, even after some ugly earnings a couple weeks ago, still even up $1.40 on the day. And again, this is what it comes down to, folks. Understanding the charts, reading the charts, knowing the master levels, knowing the turn dates, and everything you can get in the Research Center and in the chat room for us at inthemoneystocks.com. You can play it all and make tons of money as if you were with us right here through this turn date where we're making tons of money. So again, join up now. You want to be involved in that, folks. And again, I just posted a new trade on the hot charts and alerts for everyone, something that I like very, very much so. And we'll see again where it ends up. Again, my target a couple dollars higher, $3 higher, in fact, or generally about that from the current levels. About 2.5 now as the stock has rallied off my levels where I initially picked it up. All right, folks. Market again. Keep an eye into the close. Do we see some covering or some selling going into the close? Do we see short covering or maybe some selling, profit taking into the close? It's going to be an interesting close, but for now, very, very solid move in this stock, and we'll see again where it comes out and in the markets overall. You can continue to look across the board, and again, we'll watch very, very closely. Watch for the nightly video today. I will dissect more plays for tomorrow to look for as well. I gave out one stock yesterday in the nightly video that I liked quite a bit. It was Hero Offshore Drilling, Hercules Offshore Drilling, symbol HERO. That stock is up almost 10% today, so a great call there as well, and it's back to making money. As soon as the weekend was over, back to making money. Yesterday, we made some money on RTS JP Morgan, made some more on JP Morgan today. Other plays, obviously, the one I'm in currently just picked up, already in the money by about 30 cents, 40 cents now, and we're going to continue to make some good money. So again, we're here for you. Come join the Research Center. Come join the chat room. We'll see you soon. Take care.